EES, which is pronounced EASE, is an acronym for Engineering Equation Solver. Constants in EASE are denoted by the hashtag sign after their name. Constants are treated like variables in EASE, except that their values cannot be changed in the equations window. A large number of common physical constants are pre-assigned in EASE, and these entries can be viewed by selecting Constants from the Options menu in order to access the Constants dialog that's shown here. Many physical constants of interest are available. So, for example, pi hashtag is the value for pi, r hashtag is the universal gas constant, k hashtag is Boltzmann's constant, etc. The constant pi without the hashtag also refers to pi, and it's the only built-in constant in EASE that doesn't require the use of the hashtag. The order of the constants appearing in this dialog can be changed just by clicking on the column header. So here, if I click on the name at the top of the first column, you're going to rearrange all of these constants so that they're in alphabetical order. If you click a second time, it's going to reverse the order. These constants are all provided in the unit system that has been specified by the user. So here, my unit system is set to SI, and you can see that all of these constants are provided in SI units. So if I go back to the equations window, I can calculate the density of an ideal gas on a molar basis using the universal gas constant. So here, at a pressure of 1 atmosphere and a temperature of 300 Kelvin, I can calculate the density, and because the units of the constant R hashtag are joules per kmol per Kelvin, the units of my molar density is going to be kmol per meter cubed. It's possible to add constants by selecting Add from the Constants dialog, and that's going to bring up this Add New Constant dialog. And in this dialog, you can see you've been prompted for the name, a description, and the value of the constant you want to add in both SI and English units. So, for example, suppose we want to enter the bore radius to our EASE program as a constant. The value of the bore radius is 5.291772 times 10 to the minus 11 meters, which is 1.736146 times 10 to the minus 10 feet. And we'll give it a name, so a sub 0 hashtag, and provide a description. And then we select OK, and when I go back to the constant dialog, you can see that this new constant has been added at this point at the bottom of this list. The new constants list can be saved by selecting the Store button here in the dialog, so that it's available every time EASE is opened. If you do this, you want to make sure that you deselect the override constants.txt file when you're going through the installation process in order to keep your added constants when you update or reinstall the EASE program. Alternatively, you can make a copy of the constants.txt file and ensure that it's not overwritten in that way. The user can also specify the value of constants in an EASE program directly by using the $constant directive. So the calling protocol for the $constant directive is shown here, and you can see all of the same information that you needed to put into the Add New Constant dialog you can put right here. Name hashtag is the name of the constant. Value SI and value ENG are the values of the constant in the SI and English units, and the units that you're adding them in are defined here in the units SI and units ENG brackets. So for example, here I'm just adding the same bore radius constant directly in the EASE equation window. Finally, if you want to, you can just edit the constants.txt file directly using any word processor. So here I've opened it up in Notepad, and I can just add a constant here as well that would be loaded each time EASE is open. So this is one of a series of tutorials meant to describe the operation of the EASE software. If you'd like to get more information about EASE, obtain the software, or access more of these tutorials, please go to the website fchart.com. These tutorials are excerpted from the book Mastering EASE, which can also be obtained from the Fchart website.